Imagine you have created a group before and now wish to change or modify its attributes. Then the Linux groupmod command comes in handy. Let's explore all the features and uses of the groupmod command with multiple examples, including how to rename a group, modify the group ID, update passwords, and access help documentation. And before I begin, I am thrilled to announce that our latest course, Linux Fundamentals, a complete guide for beginners, is now available on Udemy. If you are new to Linux or looking to expand your knowledge, this course has got you covered. So be sure to check out the link in the description below for exclusive access. Now let's jump into the groupmod command. This command is a useful tool to modify the attributes of an existing group. It allows the root user or super user to modify the group name, GID password, and other important information of an existing group. Generally, this command provides the opportunity to modify the file like etc/group, etc/gshadow, etc/login.dev, and etc/password. To execute these root privileges, you must be logged in as the root user or use the sudo command. Here on the screen, you can see the syntax for the command, which is groupmod followed by option and group name. Now let's talk about the options. To learn about the options, check the manual page with the command man groupmod. And you can see all the informations you may need are available in this page. You can easily exit this page using Q. Starting with renaming, you can easily rename the group with the groupmod command with the option -n. Let's do it practically. I will modify the already existing group group1 to first group with the groupmod command. So run the command sudo groupmod -n first group, which is the new name, and then the previous group name group1. Hit enter. To check the renaming, type getend group first group. And you can see I have modified the name of group1 to first group. Now in this example, I will show how to modify the group ID or GID. To do this for any group, run the groupmod command with the option --gid or -g. For example, I will modify the already existing group group2's GID. And to know the current GID, type getend group2. The GID of group2 is 2024, and now I will change it to 2025. So type sudo groupmod --gid, or you can use -g 2025 group2. Hit enter. Now to verify, type again getend group2. Look, I replaced the GID of group2 with the GID 2025. Like the previous example, you can also use a non-unique value as GID by using the -o or -- non-unique option. Let's replace the GID of group3 with the same GID as group2 using the groupmod command. So, to know the GID of group2 and group3, type getend group2 group3. Hit enter. Now look at the terminal. The group named group2 and group3 have GID values of 2025 and 5000 respectively. To set the group2's GID as group3's, enter the command sudo groupmod -o, or you can use -- non-unique option, then -g or --gid 2025, then the group name group3. Hit enter. Now let's check with the command getend group2 and group3. If I hit enter, then you can see the GID of group2 and group3 are same. Now suppose you want to set a new password or change an existing password for a group. Let's learn how to do this through two cases. At first, let's see how to set a password if you don't have one yet. There is a group in my system named group4 with no password. To check it, you can run the command sudo grep group4/etc/gshadow. Hit enter. See, the output shows that the group4 has no password. Now I will add a password to group4 with the option -p. So type sudo groupmod -p 1234, which is the password, then the group name group4. Here you can also use the option --password. Now hit enter and it's done. To check, type sudo grep group4/etc/gshadow. Look, a password has been set for group4. Now in the second case, I will demonstrate how to change the existing password. Before that, let me show you whether group4 already has a password or not. Type sudo grep group4/etc/gshadow. Hit enter and the terminal is showing the current password for group4. To change the password, I will again use the option -p with the groupmod command. So type sudo groupmod -p abcd, which is the new password, then the group name group4. Hit enter. It's done. Now let's check whether the password is updated or not. So again type sudo grep group4/etc/gshadow. See, I have changed the previous password of group4. In Linux, the help page for the groupmod command contains a brief description of the command. To see the help page, you can use the command groupmod --help. Hit enter and the help page for the groupmod command in Linux is displayed. That wraps up our discussion on the groupmod command, including its options, usage, and relevant examples. I hope this information helps you grasp the functionality of the groupmod command and empowers you to become proficient in using the Linux command line. For more details and commands, refer to the article linked in the description. Goodbye.